and welcome back to the stay-at-home garden video. Today I'm going to talk about kale. So I've got a few little babies growing inside for the summertime, but I had these growing all winter. They survived and had no problem. I've got a smaller one over here, this being the biggest one, and two more, mixed in with some chard. So kale is a great plant to grow outside year-round. You're going to want to start it now in the springtime or early in the fall. So the plant grows big enough and it's strong enough to survive through the winter. But kale plants here in most of Oregon, especially here in Eugene in the Willamette Valley, does great over winter. If you don't have a lot of experience growing plants, try starting with kale. It's easier to start and it lasts all winter. You can keep harvesting from kale long as it's big enough year-round. You can eat kale raw or chop it up and cook it up. It's delicious either way, and I think it tastes better once you grow it. There's many different varieties and all are great, so try and pick one and see which one's your favorite. Kale can be directly seeded outside once it's warm enough, but if it's too cold, I suggest starting it inside as a starter and letting it grow up to be 6 inches tall, so it's nice and mature and strong enough to go outside, plant it outside, and leave it year-round. Thanks for learning about kale, and tune into our other videos to learn about specific vegetables that you can grow in your garden too. Have fun gardening and enjoy the sun.